Hey guys, now this lesson we're looking at a little trick, and it's just cutting the sound. Now you can use it in all sorts of progressions. It's really cool for songwriting, and it's just basically deadening the strings and cutting them, and you play with your timing so that you can get different sort of bites and breaks and rests in your song. So say if I was to do a E minor chord, okay, and it's ringing there. Now sometimes you like that. You want a nice big ringing. But sometimes you don't, and you might want to cut. Couple of ways to do this. So I'm going to cut with my right hand. So if you're looking on the body here, and all I'm doing is just fingers across the strings there, my palm across the strings. Now you can also leave your finger there, hit a few dead strings if you need, but basically we've got our, you can feel how I'm getting a bit of a rhythm there. Alright, now that's one option. Now our other option is to use our left hand. Problem with that is you then have to redo your chord each time. Okay, so of the two, I prefer the palm one. See what you prefer. But now, when you start to put it into progressions is when it becomes really cool. So you might have a A minor, E minor. And you're starting to use that rest as part of your song. Now that can tie in with vocals, it can tie in with bass lines, you could have the whole band stop at once. There's so many different options there. Now the ways that you can cut also are really cool. So as in, you can do these really quick little cuts. So all I'm doing is, so it's that really fine movement. Okay, I'm really severely cutting. Now the other thing is you don't need to cut totally. You can just deaden a little bit. So now if you notice, I've actually moved my hand back on the guitar, so I'm actually going close to the bridge. So, and you'll notice it doesn't totally deaden it. If I put it over the sound hole, totally cut. Okay, so you can even tweak how much you want to deaden the strings. Now be aware that when you do cut quite hard, there will be a sound still, and it's just that sort of. Now you can actually use that. There is things with like percussive guitaring techniques where they're tapping. Not my cup of tea personally, but if you're into it, get into it. Now what I do quite like is that slap. You can hear that. So it's almost like you're doing a bit of a kick drum rhythm. So you can start to give yourself, if you're just playing a guitar, a little bit more beat and feeling. So it's got a little bit of percussive element to it. So have a little go with it, see how you feel, and change it up so you can do it with all different chords. Change up how you cut. So that's very mellow, it doesn't have that percussion, whereas you slam your fingers down, you're going to get the percussive sound. So enjoy that one, and we'll see you next time.